Hey y'all, it's Randy with Rum Creek Soaps. So here I am making an apple cider vinegar hot process soap. And with this soap, I don't scent it or anything. Um, I basically just pour the apple cider vinegar as the lye solution. And then I pour it into my hot oils. And I stick blend for about 2 minutes until I see the first volcano starting. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just letting stick blending it until I can see the first volcano start, which I love volcanoes, y'all. So I live for that. So the reason I love a volcano is once I see the volcano happening, I know I'm almost finished with the soap already. And so generally, I will let the volcano go for as long as it can without coming out of the container, because the longer it goes, the more it does, the cook itself cooks. So if it gets to be too big, then of course I stir it down, which is what you're seeing here. I'll stir it down. And then after I stir it down, I'm just gonna cover it so that it can pretty much finish up. And sometimes when I cover it to hold the heat in, it will do a volcano while it's still covered. And again, that's better. That's even better, just like right here. You see that it's still volcanoing some, which again is not a problem for me. I'm just stirring it down again. So, and I'm doing a voiceover because I said that I would do a voiceover for the next hot process soap that I posted. So this is it. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do voiceovers on other ones. Yeah, I'm pretty OCD about the sides. I have to scrape down the sides. It drives me nuts. I don't like the dry bits in my soap at all. So I'm going to get ready to cover it again. And at this point, right now, I will leave it to finish the cook as long as possible. Yeah, I'm just going to check it. And I see it's not fully gelled. So I'm going to stir it down, even though I don't really have to stir it down. But you'll find that sometimes I stir it down, sometimes I won't. I'll just let it sit. But in this case, I stirred it down again, and then I'm going to let it sit completely until it's completely gelled and about ready for me to just add my yogurt. And this is the longest part of making the soap, believe it or not, letting the cool down happen. And I let it cool down anywhere between 180, 170, sometimes even lower than that. Just depends what I'm doing, what else I got going on. Because as you can tell, the soap has completely gelled. The soap is done at this point. And so I'm just stirring in the yogurt for the benefits of the lactic acid that it adds to the soap. The skin benefits of lactic acid. And so I'm going to scrape down these walls again. Okay. And again, I don't add any fragrance or anything to my ACV bar, y'all, because this is one of my favorite soap bars. And no scent, no color, no nothing. So now it's just time for the pour, because it's all done just like that. And I mean, this is because there's no fragrance, there's no color. I'm not trying to design anything, swirl anything. This soap, I usually get done so quick with it. I don't even know if it's 10 minutes, maybe even 7. I mean, it goes super quick. So I'll tap it down, spray the tops with a little bit of alcohol, and it goes into the freezer for a couple hours, and then it's out, comes out of the freezer, and it's gonna be ready to cut, y'all. So that's what you'll see here. Spraying with the alcohol, and then it's ready to cut out of the freezer a couple hours later. Cut time. And that is it, pretty much. After the cut, I leave it for about, because it still has to lose water weight. So I leave it for about a week, y'all, after that. And it's good to go. It's hard as a rock. And I mean a rock. After about a week. Because I already do a water discount anyway. So a week is pretty good for all the water loss that I'm gonna get from my soaps. And they're ready to go. And it's just a plain bar. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and me doing the voiceover. If it's something y'all want me to keep doing, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.